To run the wire inside the cabin, we had to remove the glove box, and behind this wiring you will see another bunch of wires, which I'm trying to show you, which goes through the sound insulation and goes under the hood, and we'll use it to run the wire. We used thin metallic rod as a fishing wire. It went through our boot, as you can see. So this is where it exits at this point. Now we will attach the wire to this one. And this is how it looks from inside the cabin. Our glove box is removed, and this is our rod that we are using. And it's gonna be hard to show you guys, but it goes all the way inside over there. And it is accessible from here, but you will have to remove the insulation from the wires in order to reach this opening. We'll use some lubricant to make our pulling easier. And this is our wire right here.